Hey guys, welcome back. So it is now Wednesday the 29th, right around 11 o'clock, and I'm looking at the market. It's looking pretty good. It's starting to pick up. Wednesday, which is today, there is no news. Tuesday, there was no news, and Monday was a bank holiday, so the week has been generally really slow. So we're just gonna wait for some more movement and volatility to happen. I believe I have one trade set up that I might take right now before 12 o'clock. So we're gonna talk about that one. And if I can take it, that will be for the rest of the week. If not, we do have two major news events coming up. Thursday is going to be core PPI, or Friday will be core PPI, and Thursday will be unemployment claims. So it is going to be a crazy last ending of the week, especially for the weekly candle closure. So it's going to be mayhem, and I'm going to be very careful, but I also want to take an opportunity. So we're going to go ahead and talk about this chart, and let's hop right into it. All right, guys, so we're back on the computer now. I just wanted to briefly talk about why I didn't take any trades for the week. So, for starters, Monday was Memorial Day, which means it's a bank holiday. On bank holidays, the volatility is not there. It's really slow. It's also prone for manipulation. So, you always have to be very careful when you're trading on a bank holiday. And to be honest, you just shouldn't, right? And then for Tuesday, there was absolutely no news except for this consumer confidence. It's that really didn't have a big effect for Tuesday. It had a movement, but once it had the move, then it was just in consolidation period. So now for the rest of the week, we do have tomorrow, which is Thursday, unemployment claims, and Friday, core PPI. I'm expecting pretty big moves, especially if it comes back negative, because it's been positive for at least 3 or 4 months now. So I'm expecting it to come back lower, but you never know with news. If it does come back lower, then everything else should pop up. And this is gold that I'm currently on right now. As you can see from the starting week, it actually has just been going up. It had a little pullback now, and right now I am looking for an entry Model 3 if it can surpass this high right here. I won't take this on the live account. I will take it on my personal account only because for gold with $3 in the account, it's not gonna move really. So I'm gonna leave this just for me, and we'll see how that plays out. Still waiting for the confirmation, so we still got some time for that. And now for NAS 30, I'm waiting for my entry Model 1. So I need a couple things to happen. I need this to close bullish, but not too much. And then I need the next candle to create a wick and take over this wick right here. And I'll take my buy entry all the way up to this Sunday open. So once that happens, then we will take this buy entry, like I said, and we'll move all the way up here. And this will become at least it'll be a 1 to 3, or I could make it a 1 to 2, just depending on the next candle. So we'll see what happens in the next hour and 8 minutes. So I just wanted to get on here, like I said, to briefly talk about those things. I will let you guys know when I do take those trades, just waiting again for those confirmations. And then at that point, we'll talk about them as they're playing out to see if we need to change up the rules, change up the strategy, or maybe move our stop losses tighter, have a trailing stop loss, set it to break even. Any of these things that I do, I'll make sure that I let you guys know and I record it and I put it on here. So I'll see you guys the next time will be probably later in the day once I go ahead and already take my trades. So I'll see you guys then. I'm waiting for my entry Model 1 to form to take a buy on NAS 100 for the account. So we're just going to wait to see if this happens. If I do take the trade, I'll let you guys know. Alright, so now it is almost 2 o'clock in the morning, and as you see, the body is about to close in 4 seconds underneath this point of control area, or excuse me, this value of low. So this is going to be an invalid entry. I was going to look at the 2 hour and the 4 hour, but that was also the closure. So if I just quickly switch over, you'll see it closed below and it closed below. So this is an invalid entry, and I'm gonna have to just wait until tomorrow. So we'll hop in the markets tomorrow and see what we have. Last trade actually played out perfectly. The only thing is that it closed underneath this value area, low area, so I wouldn't actually have taken it. But as you guys can see,
right to the teeth.